Hello everyone. Today we will match a 2020 Range Rover. First, connect the OBD to the vehicle. Open the mobile KD app. Click IMO Programming. Select Land Rover. Click Start Execution. Click Copy Key Matching. Click OK. Click Yes. Then connect the key according to the wiring diagram to read data. Open the wiring diagram. Use our key programming cable following the wiring diagram. Wire the original key mainboard per the wiring diagram. Check the wiring after connection. Then plug the key programming cable into the KD-X4 programmer port. Click Read Chip Data. Data saved successfully. Select Key ID. Click Generate Key. Select KD Remote. Select 433 MHz. Test the key functions after writing completes. All done. If anyone has any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section.